Alright, we just drove from 5 miles away on the road. We're going to get my buddy. We got Tommy with me. We just left the truck show. Going to get him. He's stuck in his 5-ton truck, so hopefully we make it there. This truck's been on the road for a while. Just cruising. What the fuck? It's out there in the middle. This shit's gonna be a little sketch. Alright, so we made it to them. There's 5 tons under there somewhere. They just hooked up about another 100 feet of rope. I'm gonna try and cut it in between these 2 holes because that's a big drop off. And that's a big drop off, so try and get it right there and get more of a straight shot on them getting out. But we'll see what happens. Alright, we broke a rope. He's still in there, but he's starting to move. Ground's getting pretty soft. See if we get a couple more snatches. Alright, so we moved him again. Look how fucking soft it is though. Holy shit. And those are my ruts. That was untouched grass up there. He's moving though. To shorten this rope up, get him on his last snatch. And just like that, we got it out. Look how big this fucking truck is. God damn. Hell yeah. We got it out. Broke 1 rope, but it is fucking wet. Said he was spinning right on top. Motherfucker was like tire deep in that bitch. Hell yeah. Left the fucking truck show. Come pull some people out. Do I look like someone that came out here to pull someone out? Nah. See if this thing gets stuck again. So we come out to go down the road and the sheriff truck just passed us. Just went real slow. These are DOT approved. We'd be alright. We're finna hit Sawgrass, watch a couple trucks play, and call it a day after that. Let's see what kind of shit we can get into though. It is definitely deep out here. Got the Honda boats. There's a huge dip right in the middle. There it is. He's fucking around in 2-0 drive. He's about to bury it. Damn. shit in reverse. Pulled right out of it. I bet they all shit themselves inside. We got a peanut gallery over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Too easy for him, he said. Tell me it's deep without telling me it's deep. A whole bike floating. I don't think it's running. God damn. They just flipped that bike. Damn. Nah, they good.
It's a rancher, they good.
They good. Alright, we're at Sawgrass for Brandon and his 5-ton. That big block Ford. He found to cut across the whole thing. Long ways. He's sideways in that motherfucker. God damn. She leaning. Let's pull up. Hell yeah. Just mowed that shit right over. Fuck. right, y'all. We made it back. We got them pulled out. We played pretty much all day, really. And nothing broke on the truck, nothing broke on his truck. So it was a good day bogging. So next time, stay tuned. I'm finna put these 18.4s on a stock Durango. So get ready for that. Those came off of this and they were massive, so y'all ain't ready for that. Stay tuned for the video. It's coming soon.